So as every other Blender user, I've been watching Ian Hubert, and I also want to use a green screen to put a character into 3D space. So I'm going to visit the school where my friend Max is studying, because they have a big green screen. So after arriving late at his place, it was time to go to sleep. So we're gonna get some lunch and then we're going to X Center and gonna use the green screen to film some stuff. So we bought some sushi and my avocados tasted really bad, I don't know why. And then we arrived at the green screen studio. Sadly, there appeared to be some kind of project there, so we couldn't take advantage of the whole green screen, but we were confined to the corner of the green screen. When we were done recording, it was time to head back home to start editing. So now I brought the footage inside of Blender, because I knew that I were going to motion track this footage. I placed out some tape, some white tape spots all over the green screen, and then I placed tracking markers. So this is tracking marker 007, and you can see how it follows that tape. And you need a bunch of those, and when you have tracked your footage, you can create a 3D scene. This is the camera, the virtual camera, and if I go inside the camera, you can see that the 3D stuff follows the real camera motion. And for this project, which is just a quick test, I used some photo-scanned rocks and trees, just to know, is this gonna work or not? So here you can see before and after. I had to mask out the tape in After Effects, because I didn't want to have white dots everywhere.
Vad det kommer